from Mount Sizzle. In about 1960, IKEA decided to go all in on restaurant concepts in its stores. The cafe at IKEA, I guess, gives couples a amicable last dinner before they want to kill each other while putting together a balsa media cart with 100 screws and bolts. I have never been to an IKEA. I will never visit an IKEA with a woman, no matter how depth of love I have for that woman. If you want to, get one of these rigs to portion out the meatballs.
When my hands are this deep into anything, you kind of want me to wear those black gloves. Do you really want to eat my dermis, my largest organ by far?
The juice is loose. Meatballs and meatloaf are basically the same thing. It's all egg and starch as binder. Yo, what's up, cornstarch? If you're ever in Nebraska, call your laundry attendant that. I want my color to pop. They will love it. Swedish meatballs are delicious, and they definitely didn't need IKEA's PR, but IKEA certainly did help. If you're tailgating, just let them rest in the sauce. Use some toothpicks. For dinner, you can serve them over mashed potatoes or white rice, but I prefer egg noodles.